using a 40-inch TV, and this thing that I bought that's driving us nuts that I haven't opened it yet. It's been here for a week. Right?
Yeah. Christmas in February.
So, it's a box inside of a box.
Yeah. So a box of a box unboxing.
Yeah, so we're unboxing a box within a box.
So I made a guess of filament.
You got a what?
My guess was this was some kind of filament.
So, you're close. So this is an infrared multi-touch overlay.
Okay.
So.
And where did you get it at?
So I bought this on Amazon. I don't know how to open this though. So I got it on Amazon. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Looks like this is a cap. And you don't have. Okay, so I had to get muscle to open this. I wasn't able to open it. So I guess the tube comes.
This is not OnlyFans, lady.
Okay.
Let's get to it.
All right. So we opened up the box, and this is what you get. You get the instructions. There's a double stick tape because we're going to use this to stick it to the frame. You get some screws to hold everything together, and a screwdriver. But everything here is color coded with labels. So you're supposed to connect the B side of one part to the B side of another to put it together. So we'll start putting this together. And so let me just come up close. So you see here, there's a connector there, and then there's a connector there, and it just snaps in. So this is really easy to put together. And let's see, where is my B side? Okay. And that is all she wrote for this. And this will get mounted on here. What I'm going to do next is I'm not going to put the screws in. There's some drivers that I need to download onto my, I have a small Mac. I'll show you that in a second. And then we'll install the drivers, and then we'll be ready to paste it on. All right, and because this is a Mac house, except for the Android user in this house, I'm going to be using this old Mac Mini. This is, I think it has 4 gigs of RAM and 500 gigs of storage. So we're going to use this as the connector for the overlay, so I can have it running at all times, because then once I get it running, I can just mount this to the back of the TV, and it can stay on indefinitely. So I'm going to do some work and download some drivers, and I'll come back to show you how this works.